Hello viewers, welcome to Geeks4Geeks. In this tutorial we will learn about Java identifiers. In programming languages, identifiers are used for identification purpose. In Java, an identifier can be a class name, method name, variable name or a label. For example, here test is the identifier for the class name and A is the identifier for int variable. There are some rules for defining the Java identifiers. The only allowed characters for identifiers are all alphanumeric characters, which are these. For example, geek @ is not a valid Java identifier as it contains @, a special character. Identifiers should not start with digits 0 to 9. For example, 1 to 3 geeks is not a valid Java identifier. Java identifiers are case sensitive. There is no limit on the length of Java identifiers, but it is advisable to use an optimum length of 4 to 15 letters only. Reserved words can't be used as an identifier. For example, int while is equal to 20 is an invalid statement as while is a reserved word. There are 53 reserved words in Java. These are the examples of valid identifiers. The identifiers can be in camel case, all caps or all small letters. The identifier can be a combination of alphabet and a digit. It can have a special character which was specified in the last slide. Thus, these all strings are a valid identifiers. These are the example of invalid. The first one contains space. Thus, it's an invalid identifier. This begins with a digit, thus invalid. The remaining contains invalid special character. Thus, they are also invalid identifiers. There are 53 words which are reserved in Java and you cannot use them as an identifier. Out of 53, 50 are keywords and 3 are reserved literals. Reserved literal consist of true, false and null, whereas keywords are further divided into two categories, used and unused. Used words are if, else, for, etc. Unused words are const and goto. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.